Hi, in this quick video, I'm going to show you how you can convert your PDF document into a PNG file or a series of PNG files. Now, the reason you might want to do this is because you might have seen graphics like this on social media where people have created posts to promote their freebie, but when you try to do it, it won't let you import the PDF file to make these fun little pictures. Because what you need to do is actually have every single page as a PNG file so that you can do this. This is how it's done. Now, this is the first way to do it, and it's really, really easy. If your file has been made in Canva, what you would normally do if you were downloading it is to go to Share, Download, and automatically you would go to download it as a PDF. If you change that to PNG, obviously the links aren't going to work, but we don't need the links to work. If you then click on Download, that will then save that as PNG files. So you would have every single page of that PNG file as a separate image. The other way to do this is to open it up on your laptop. So I'm on a Mac, so I can open it up with either Preview or Adobe. In this occasion, I've opened it up with Preview. And then you pick the page that you want to export. Then you click on File at the top left, go down to Export, and then you just choose PNG and click on save. Now, the thing is with this, you do have to do every single page individually, which in some cases works out better because you only tend to want 3 preview pages anyway. So choose the 3 that you would want to do and then select on that one, file, export, and then save that as a PNG file. And then once you've got those files downloaded, each page will be a separate image, which means you can then use them in things like Canva to create graphics as so. So I would come into Canva, I would come into my mockup page, my mockup template, go into uploads, upload the files. I would upload all of the PNG files that I now have. They will upload. Then once they have uploaded, you can just go onto the document that you want to do and drag and drop them over. And it's as simple as that. Hope that helped. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more hints and tips on how to grow your business.